Well, howdy there, folks, and happy Halloween. Today I'm going to be building this one right here. Lego Head Inside Set 70421 El Fuego Stunt Truck. It has 428 pieces, and I picked this up for a pretty good deal. Price matched at Target. So, I'll make a few adjustments and I'll get to building. Three bags, one instruction booklet, and one sticker sheet, and four decent sized tires, which don't come into play yet, so let's get them off the field. That's a new piece to me. Alright, so here we got Jack with a selfie stick and a camera. And then of course we got Spencer the ghost dog. And we have Dwayne, who also happens to be one of the possessed. And here we have the little chopper for Dwayne. And here we have the extra pieces out of bag one. Here we have Joey, who I'm guessing is part of the same association that Dwayne is. Mainly because she also happens to be one of the possessed. And these spectral wings are awesome. Also, another new piece to me. I've seen them before in other sets, but not anything that I've owned. Sticker. Extra pieces from bag 2. Whoop. There we are. And here we have the star of the set, El Fuego himself. Last sticker, folks. All right, folks. So here we have Lego Hidden Side set 70421. Here are the extra pieces from bag 3. Not many of them, but you know, still some. Here we have El Fuego's Stunt Truck. You pop this off, release it. There's a little spring there in the back. So that's nice, I like that. This pops open so you can get El Fuego inside. Right here is the little color interaction thing for the app. So, got a ghost blasting cannon. So, I'm guessing that ID 309 has something to do with the designer of the set because, well, that's not the number for the set itself. So, and again, here we got El Fuego. We got Jack in his signature hoodie. We got Ghost Joey. And we got Ghost Dwayne. And here is Dwayne's double-sided face, you know, normal face. But Joey, oddly, only has one side of a face. So, and then, of course, everybody's favorite, Spencer the Ghost Dog. Crowbar, extra ghost gun. I guess that should be in extra pieces. And of course we got Dwayne and Joey's little chopper. So, yep. I really enjoy Hidden Side. I am upset that it has been discontinued because I would really like to get even more. So, I almost got the Newberry High School the other day, but Target had finally sold out of it. But that's okay. I'll find it again eventually. Even if I have to go to the Lego store and pay full price. Which is probably what's going to have to happen. But anyways, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave your comments down below. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'd appreciate any questions you have in the comments down below for the monthly Q&A. As always, or as will be always, it is on the third Friday of every month. Anyways, thank you. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.